Rivet.
We're going to start off with Sunflow in-floor heating. It's one of the key categories. Andy, take it away. This is a system that comprises of tubing that's embedded in the concrete floor. Water is heated by either gas, diesel, electric or wood boilers, and it's pumped through the tubing. Of course, the great benefits are that it's thermostatically controlled, it's invisible, you can have separate zones in different areas of your house. Programmable timing functions, there's no furnishing restraint, it's all in the slab. It's suitable for carpet floors, tile floors, wooden floors or polished concrete floors.